What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from XCC Tunes. I hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I use Supervision plugin to help me balance my mix. Alright, I don't have the most perfect room to monitor my mix. So what I'll do, I have to rely on these visual tools. I know a lot of you will say that you have to use your ears to mix, not eyes. Yeah, I understand, but I don't have the best mixing room, and the equipment that I have is not sufficient enough for me to be able to hear the things I should be hearing. So I rely on tools, visual tools that will allow me to see if something is wrong. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump right in. I'm currently working on a film score, and now I'm in the mixing phase of this score. I'm just gonna play for you. Okay, so that's my score. It's a bit dark. Okay, but I want it to sound dark because the scene is dark. Okay, so what I do now is I put the plugin Supervision in my master bus, master track. Let me just open one more Supervision plugin here. You'll get this level meter, and this is useful as well, where you can actually check the left and right balance. Okay, yeah, you can use that. I like to use this one right here, wave scope. So I'm gonna go to waveform, and I find it here. Right, you can also add a couple of other metering plugins here, but I want to stick with wave scope for this video, for the purpose of this video. Right, so let me just close this guy. Okay, when I place this track, I can see the waveform right away. Previously, before I had this Supervision plugin, I used to render all my tracks and put it in a new project file, or sometimes in the same project file, to just check whether is there any peaking waveforms. Alright, so that way when I monitor the mix, I know that some of the instrument too loud for that section, right? So for example, if you have a piano and a guitar playing, the guitar may be playing the pluck part, the rhythm part, and piano is playing the chords. So once I render it out, I can see whether the piano and the guitar is within that same range. The guitar is not plucking too loud. So if it's too loud, I can see the differences between the peak and the normal waveform of the piano, right? So I had to render the audio out to see if there's any peaking happening. But now I don't have to do that. I can just do it by using this plugin Supervision. Just put it in the master track, and then I can just hit play. See here, there's a peak here. Okay, so now what I'll do, I will go to that section just to verify one more time. Okay, I'm not sure which part was that. Yeah, that part. So I'm gonna bring the Supervision plugin. See, I found the parts where there's a high peak and it shouldn't be peaking at that section. Right. So in this case, what I can do, I can add a compressor, or I can just go to that waveform and edit the audio, or put a fade in. I can do pretty much a lot of things to cut that peak down. I can reduce the volume. So this is the best plugin to monitor your mix level, right? If you don't have the best environment to mix your song, this is amazing plugin. Okay, so don't sleep on this plugin. Make sure to use it on your mixes. All right. So if you guys find some value in this video, please make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, smash the like button, and share this video to all your friends and family. All right. I'll see you guys in the next video.